Greetings everyone, today is Friday the 13th of March 2026. Let's recap on the highlights for the IFP. IFP President and Minister of Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs, Honorable Velenkosini Hlabisa, together with the Premier of KwaZulu-Natal, Honorable Thamsanqa Ntuli, who is also the chairperson of the IFP in KwaZulu-Natal, led an urgent oversight and stakeholder engagement at the Otsugela District Municipality in Ladysmith. The meeting brought together representatives from all spheres of government to address the municipality's governance, financial management, and a number of service delivery challenges affecting the district, especially the provision of reliable water services. Bulawayo will return to Otsugela to assess progress and ensure that commitments made translate into tangible improvements for the people. IFP Chairperson in KwaZulu-Natal and Premier Honorable Thamsanqa Ntuli has called for stronger collaboration between government, industry and investors to accelerate energy investment and industrial development in the province. Mpemba was delivering keynote remarks at the KwaZulu-Natal Energy Indaba, hosted by himself and IFP NEC member, who is the MEC for Economic Development, Tourism and Environmental Affairs, Reverend Musa Zondi in Richards Bay, under Umhlatsuze Local Municipality. IFP Deputy National Chairperson in KwaZulu-Natal Department of Agriculture and Rural Development MEC, Honorable Thembeni Kamadlopha Mthethwa, officially handed over 60 million rand worth of infrastructure projects to the Jozini community, boosting local farming. The project addresses safety concerns like protecting crops from wildlife and floods. Deputy Minister of Transport and IFP spokesperson Honorable Mkhuleko Hlengwa led the department's Back to School campaign at Sigweje High School. He handed over 500 Shovakalula bicycles to learners, empowering them with access to education. IFP NEC member and KZN Kokta MEC, Honorable Reverend Thulasizwe Buthelezi, has encouraged the leadership of district municipalities to continue prioritizing local economic development, noting that it remains one of the key pillars in strengthening the local economy and addressing unemployment. Honorable Buthelezi was addressing guests during the 2026 Municipal Excellence Awards at the Durban International Convention Center. The event recognizes municipalities that continue to work tirelessly to improve the lives of residents. As part of the National Gardens Week 2026, the Deputy Minister of Forestry, Fisheries and the Environment and the IFP Treasurer General, Honorable Naren Singh, visited National Zoological Garden and National Botanical Gardens in Pretoria. National Gardens Week is an opportunity for all South Africans to discover the important work taking place in the country's zoological and botanical gardens, from scientific research and biodiversity conservation to environmental education and tourism.
So proud that as South Africa, we have the South African National Biodiversity Institute, which is internationally recognized, and they are doing such great work here at the zoo.
Inkatha Freedom Party will be contesting 5 by-elections on the 18th of March. At the Eastern Cape, the IFP will be contesting 2 by-elections, and in KwaZulu-Natal, the party is contesting 2 by-elections in Nongoma Municipality and 1 under Abaqolosi Local Municipality. Until next time, sethembe sisebenzela wena.